Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to assign a training course manager, a role that can add training course materials, steps, assign tests, or add ad hoc tests to the training course. Also, they have permission to assign candidates and managers of a training course as well. To assign a manager to a training course, navigate to Training Courses in the main menu and select the training course from the Managed Courses. Navigate to Managers tab, click the Assign Manager button, and choose between following options. From All Users option allows you to assign a manager from the list of all users in the system. Search for a user, select them by ticking a box, and click the Confirm button. Or choose the option from My Groups and assign a manager from the selected group. Choose the group from the drop-down menu, pick a user, and click the Confirm button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.